You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's get into it. This full name, here you have the full name. It's normally referred to a bit of a shorter name, like Cesare Beccaria, but I wanted to give you the full name in case you need one of those names, okay, for a presentation or whatever. Marchese, that's Marchese, that's Italian for Marquis, okay? So Marchese or Marquis. Cesare Bonesana di Beccaria. Cesare Bonesana di Beccaria. That's the full name, or Cesare Bonesana di Beccaria. His title was Marquis of Gualdrasco and Villareggio, or in English, Marquis of Gualdrasco and Villareggio. So, full name, Marchese Cesare Bonesana di Beccaria, Marquis of Gualdrasco and Villareggio. That's in English, or in Italian, Marchese Cesare Bonesana di Beccaria, Marquis or Marchese de Gualdrasco e Villareggio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.